Hi everyone, this is Kevin here, coming at you with some very exciting news from Metro by T-Mobile. So let's get started. So Metro by T-Mobile has a brand new tablet making its way over to the carrier from Alcatel, and the device is called the Alcatel JoyTab. Now this device certainly isn't anything too exciting. It's meant to be a switcher device to bring you in from another carrier, but the good news is that you can actually pick it up at a very affordable price tag. So the official retail price of the JoyTab is $159.99, but the good news though is that thanks to some promotions going on, nobody is actually going to be paying that. So whether you're creating a new line or upgrading to the tablet, all you need to pay is $79.99, so not a bad deal at all. Now the tablet is not officially available yet. It's going to be launching on Monday, October 14th, so just in time for Halloween. Now the specifications of the JoyPad are definitely nothing impressive, but that's pretty much why it has such an affordable price tag. The device features an 8-inch 1280 by 800 display and a 16 by 9 aspect ratio. And I don't know of too many other devices in 2019 that features 16 by 9, so kind of strange. Now the device features 5 megapixel front and rear cameras, so at least we do have cameras in the front and rear. It features the MediaTek MT8665A processor with 2 gigabytes of RAM. We're getting 32 gigabytes of storage with the device with microSD card expansion, and it does feature a beefy battery at 4080 milliamp hours. Now I'm aware that there are quite a few people out there that like to have dedicated data service for their tablet, but for me personally, if my phone has a hotspot feature on it, I don't really see a need to have a secondary device with its own data plan. I feel like for a lot of people, you could just buy a standard tablet without LTE bands in it and just use the hotspot on your phone to get Wi-Fi on your tablet when you're out and about. With the specifications that this tablet has, it pretty much is comparable to Amazon's Fire tablets, but you're really getting two main advantages with the JoyTab. The first advantage is that you have native access to the Google Play Store, and the second advantage, whether that's important to you, is that this tablet does have LTE compatibility. That's the whole point why it's being offered by Metro by T-Mobile. But besides those two benefits, I don't really see a reason to get this tablet over Amazon's Fire tablets, or maybe a used iPad or used Samsung Galaxy Tab. Because sometimes, instead of paying $80 for this brand new low-end tablet, you're better off going on eBay and buying a used tablet that has better specifications, but you can get it at the same price tag. But let me know in the comment section below what you think, and if you think the Alcatel JoyTab is worth getting. Definitely recommend that you get in touch with your local Metro by T-Mobile store or dealer to see what plans they're offering. Now, as an added bonus, I wanted to let you know about another piece of hardware making its way over to Metro as well, and that is the PinTrack Pet Tracker. So if you have a pet, mostly a dog, I'd imagine. I don't think this really works for cats that well. But if you have a dog, you can get this pet tracker from Metro by T-Mobile, and essentially it syncs up with an app on your phone, and you're able to set safe zones around your yard. So if you don't have a fence going around your yard and your dog is kind of used to staying in your yard, but you are concerned about the possibility of your dog wandering off, then you can just put the pet tracker on your dog, and when your dog does wander away outside of the geofence, you'll get a notification on your phone letting you know about it. And essentially, you'll never lose your dog because you'll be able to track your dog anywhere it goes. Now, I personally don't have any pets, so I don't really have a need for this. But let me know in the comments section below if you think a product like the PinTrack Pet Tracker would be helpful to you. Now, I'd imagine that Metro will probably bundle this in with various promos they have going on, or maybe it'll be some sort of optional freebie, or maybe they're just offering this for sale. I don't have any details yet about how much it costs, but it is yet another piece of hardware that's going to be offered at your local Metro store. Now, one final thing I'd like to let you know about is that if you have not followed me yet on Instagram at KevinBreezeTV, you definitely should. I'm almost about to make my way over to 1,000 followers, and typically when I get a new phone or I find out some exciting news about anything in the mobile industry, I'll post it on Instagram first, and then based on the amount of interest I get from my various followers, I'll then consider making a video about that topic. So if you want a sneak peek as to what I might be doing on my channel in the future, then definitely follow me on Instagram at KevinBreezeTV. And it's Kevin Breeze TV because Kevin Breeze was already taken, so I couldn't get that. But let me know what you think about the Alcatel Joy Tab. Let me know too what you think about the PinTrack Pet Tracker. Is it worth getting a tablet with LTE built in? Or are you better off just getting a normal Wi-Fi tablet and using the mobile hotspot on your phone to give your device mobile connectivity? I'm really curious to know your thoughts about that. I'd imagine that different people have different points of view regarding that, and there's not just one simple answer to it. But let me know your thoughts. But thanks for watching. This is Kevin here, and I will see you in the next video.